Hello and Assalamu alaikum class 6. How are you all? Today we are going to start chapter number 3, photosynthesis and respiration in plant. So this is the two main processes in plants which are very important for us, for all living, because plants are also living organism and they also respire like us. आप लोग पहले ही जानते हैं कि respiration, because plants are also living things, so they also respire. So they inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen, like opposite of us. So क्या करते हैं? So the two main process, photosynthesis and respiration in plants. So all living things need energy to perform different activities, like we need energy to walk, to play, to talk. For each and every activity we need energy. If we have less energy in our body, then we can't perform any activities, any work. So plant need energy too, because they also prepare some food and respiration. So far this is also work, so they need energy. So plant get energy from where? From food, because but one of most important, because they prepare their food themselves, because they can't move to anywhere to search their food. So this is the ability in plant, special ability in plant, that they prepare themselves food. Two processes are very important, which is photosynthesis and respiration. Photosynthesis is food making process and respiration is energy producing process. So before discussing these two processes, we will discuss some other internal structure of leaf where these two processes are take place. So internal structure of leaf. Leaf is called the food factory of plant, because here food is prepared. So this is here leaf is called food factory. So क्या करता है? They absorb sunlight from the sunlight energy to make food. Under a powerful microscope we can see the three main internal parts of leaf, that is epidermis, mesophyll and vascular bundles. The three main internal parts. So first of all, epidermis. What is epidermis? The upper layer of a leaf is called upper epidermis and the lower layer of a leaf is called the lower epidermis. Here you can see in diagram that they mention the upper epidermis and lower epidermis. So these are the outer layer of leaf. In lower epidermis has many small opening called stomata. Okay, in the lower opening, here you see the stoma. Stoma is the singular of stomata. So two bean-shaped guard cells are present, which is used for the exchange of gases, oxygen like carbon dioxide and water vapors. The leaf cell and the air take place through stomata. जो different हमारे पास exchange of gases होती है, water exchange होता है, and different air की जो exchange होती है वो किस जरिए होती है? Through stomata के जरिए होती है. So this is the diagram. You will study the diagram, the upper epidermis, lower epidermis, the stomata. Okay. Now mesophyll. Between the upper and lower epidermis is the mesophyll. The mesophyll is made of cells that contain chloroplast. अब यहाँ पे आप देखें कि upper and lower epidermis. The upper and lower epidermis, here the green portion जो आप लोग को दिख रही है, this is called mesophyll. So mesophyll is made of cell that contain chloroplast. और जो upper and lower epidermis के बीच में जो mesophyll होता है, इनमें जो cells होते हैं, made of cells जिसमें chloroplast होते हैं. Chloroplast, a green pigment chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. और जो ग्रीन कलर होता है लीफ का, ये हमारे पास क्या होता है? ये क्लोरोप्लास्ट हमारे पास प्रेजेंट होता है उसमें. क्लोरोफिल ट्रैप लाइट एनर्जी विच इज यूज्ड इन फूड मेकिंग प्रोसेस. क्या है? ये जो क्लोरोफिल है, ये लाइट एनर्जी को ट्रैप करके, उसको एब्जॉर्ब करके फूड मेकिंग प्रोसेस में हेल्प करवाता है. द मेसोफिल इज द रीजन वेयर फूड मेकिंग प्रोसेस कॉल्ड फोटोसिंथेसिस टेक प्लेस. तो मेजर जो हमारे पास फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस होता है वो कहाँ पे होता है? वो मेसोफिल में ही होता है. Vascular bundle. The central part of mesophyll tissue is made of vascular bundle The two types of tissues called xylem and phloem are present in vascular bundle. Xylem carries water from root to the leaf. Phloem carries prepared food to the other parts of the plant. So vascular bundle बिटवीन द मेसोफेल आप लोग को एक स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई दे रही है जो कि हमारे पास क्या है, वस्कुलर बंडल, कंबाइनली कॉल्ड वस्कुलर बंडल। एंड इसमें हमारे पास कौन से सेल्स होते हैं, जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम सेल्स होते हैं। तो जाइलम हमारे पास क्या करता है, जाइलम कैरी वाटर फ्रॉम रूट टू द लीफ, क्योंकि वाटर रूट में होता है, ग्राउंड में होता है, तो ये अपर पार्ट तक पहुंचाने के लिए जाइलम कैरी करता है। एंड फ्लोएम कैरी प्रिपेयर फूड टू द अपर प्लांट्स ऑफ द प्लांट, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ लीव में फूड प्रिपेयर होता है, बाकी बॉडी तक पहुंचाने के लिए काम कौन करता है, वो फ्लोएम करता है। सो दिस इज द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ लीव। सो नाउ वी